single leg hip thrust on the bench. So getting yourself in your position, your shoulder blades will be right above the edge of the bench. Choosing the leg that you're going to start on, you can have your hands behind your head, or you can simply keep your chin tucked in. One knee is going to come into your chest, and the difference between this one and the barbell hip thrust with two legs is we're actually going to allow our body with a straight spine to go directly down, keeping our chin supported or tucked into our chest slightly. Hands can be behind your head, and then from here come all the way up, thinking about maintaining a neutral spine all the way up to squeeze glutes and abs at the top. So we drop them down, all the way up. Using breath, drop them down, all the way up. Maintaining that tight core at the top so you aren't releasing your abs at the top here and allowing yourself to extend back. You're gonna have a slight tension here, contraction of your lower abs, and really just thinking about a straight line maintained from your head to your butt. So you're just allowing that rotation around the edge of the bench, down, right back up, down, right back up. And that is our single leg hip thrust.